alpha male of our species.
And Lesnar looking to dominate.
And his opponent, from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, Brock Lesnar!
The Beast Incarnate has been involved in some of WWE's biggest matches.
He's always a spectacle to see in action.
And there are undoubtedly more unforgettable moments on their way. It's time to do it the cowboy way.
Oh, this person better be ready to go, because he's going toe-to-toe with one of the all-time greats, The Rock.
The cage is designed to keep all interference and distraction out of the equation. In the steel cage, it's just you and your opponent. Nobody in, nobody out.
This is just brute power. Release German. Boom. Look at it catch him off guard. And The Rock quickly kicks out. Still too fresh. That's gonna sting.
There is the People's Punch.
Oh, that right there is...
Uh-oh.
Oh, he knew what was coming.
As the arm bars stretch in.
Just stretching out the arm.
That was not just painful on the shoulder. That pain can shoot all the way up to the neck and all the way down the arm. This is a smart strategy.
Boom! Slam!
With authority.
How can a superstar use the cage to their advantage?
It's as much a weapon as it is an enclosure. Pinfall, submission, escaping the cage. It's all much easier when you're using the unforgiving steel.
Sleeper hold cinched in deep.
And breaks out of the sleeper. There it is, the People's Punch.
Oh my goodness, locked into the cage. Now he's been put on the defensive. He needs to adapt if he wants to steal the win in that steel cage. And well-timed maneuver there.
Just mounted with punches and a stop to the gut too.
The Rock is laying the smack it down. And The Rock's opponent is looking like a jabroni.
Oh, ouch.
And a kick.
Dodges. There it is, the People's Punch.
Flip over into the DDT.
He must have seen that coming. And what a maneuver we just saw there. He's making his way up the side of the cage. Trying to make their way out of the cage. Uh-oh. Lesnar on the wrong side of that exchange. The Beast now is being contained.
But I doubt there's any panic seeping into Brock's mind.
And now he's starting to make his way up the cage.
In search of some footing to make this huge climb.
And he begins his ascent up the cage wall. He's nearly there. Just a few more sure-footed steps, and he's victorious.
This is the moment for him. This is how winners are made.
Quick thinking by The Rock. As he continues to climb the side of the cage, you have to think his confidence is starting to build.
Heck of a view from up there, but he'll enjoy a view from the floor even more.
He's working toward making his escape. He can almost taste the win in this cage match.
He just has to swing that leg over. Getting ever so close to the very peak of the steel cage.
Trying to make their way out of the cage.
This is not going to end well.
Powerbomb. And he's thrown from the cage down to the mat.
Yeah, he's going to have to try something else now.
Hammering down the knee. And now he's looking to advance up the cage wall.
Needs to be careful, though. Every movement is a dangerous one.
And he's finally up to the top of the cage. And would you look at that? He could be well on his way to escaping the steel cage.
Oh, it's not safe being up there.
After such a grueling, hard-fought battle, he is finally nearing the moment he's fought for, and that is victory inside the cage.
It's over. All in a night's work.
Here is your winner, The Rock!
No other way to put it, guys. That was kind of a butt-kicking.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence and control of the situation.